Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make the flower bouquet using the rice crafting technique. So first make some newspaper sticks. They can be 5 or 6. Now draw a flower with me. I am making it on the cardboard. You can also draw it on a thick cardstock sheet. Now cut 5 pieces of it. Now apply glue on it and start pouring your rice onto it. And then let it dry completely. You can do the same technique on your all the flowers. And now let it dry. Now once it's dried, take your black color and your old brush and start applying them by dabbing technique. Do not try to blend them, otherwise rice will fall. Now do same with newspaper sticks. Now let it dry. Now take your pearl green color and apply it at the bottom by making a leaf shape. And if you don't have any metallic shades, then you can always mix the pearl white shade or the metallic white shade into your normal colors. Now take the golden color and dab it once your black shade is dried, and then it will give a nice shade and nice look. You can also take your bronzy shade if you have, or you can also choose your any other metallic shades. Now let it dry. And now once it's dried, take your newspaper sticks and paste it at the back side of your flower. And now paste all of them together using the masking tape. You can also apply a paper on your black sheet and write your message on it. It's ready now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.